Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a tea table in Minecraft. First, gather your materials, focusing on a sturdy base and a flat top. For a basic design, you will need one fence post and one pressure plate. Begin by placing the fence post on the ground. This will be the leg of your table. Then, carefully place the pressure plate directly on top of the fence post to create the tabletop. It's a quick and easy way to add a functional piece to your build. For a more detailed tea table, consider using a piston head or a carpet for the tabletop. To use a piston, first place a temporary block, then position a piston facing upwards on top of it. Activate the piston with a redstone signal, then remove the temporary block. This leaves a perfectly flat piston head. Another option is to simply place a carpet on a single block, creating a charming, low-profile table that fits well in many settings. Once your tea table is built, it's time to add some decorative flair. A flower pot with a small plant can bring a touch of nature to your space. For a miniature tea set, place an item frame on the table and put a cookie or a cup inside it. To complete the scene, craft some chairs using stairs and signs, positioning them around your new table. These small details truly make your Minecraft home feel more inviting and lived in. For advanced designs, don't be afraid to experiment with various wood types for your fence posts and pressure plates. Dark oak or spruce can offer a different aesthetic than standard oak. You can also combine several individual tea tables to form a larger surface, perfect for a grand dining area or an elaborate display. This allows for greater flexibility in your interior design. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. These creative approaches will help you build unique and functional furniture in your Minecraft world.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.